In this video, I'm going to show you the best crypto altcoins to buy in 2025. Some of these projects have some unique qualities that I think are worth exploring together. Let's get into it. For the people who don't know me, hi, my name is Jesse. I have been investing in crypto for about 5 years and in stocks for 10 years. And in the last 4 years, I have helped about 10 clients generate tens of thousands of dollars in crypto, and in my private life, I'm a software developer. In this video, I'm going to show you what are the projects that stand out the most from the other crypto projects in the market, some of the pros and cons of each individual project, and towards the end of the video, I will share the factors that are going to lead the growth of these projects. Artificial intelligence was the second best performing crypto sector in 2024. This performance increase was largely fueled by the application in Web 2 such as ChatGPT and many more. Just a few days ago, OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has closed the largest VC round of all time. The startup announced that it raised $6.6 billion in a funding round that values OpenAI at $156 billion. Funding for AI startups is currently at all-time high, despite the broader slowdown in tech. In the first half of 2024 alone, more than $35.5 billion was invested into AI startups globally, according to TechCrunch. This increase in funding is the reason why I'm so bullish and confident, and I personally think that we are only scratching the surface of the AI potential. The first project that I'm going to talk about was originally started as an AI project. They raised $35 million through an ICO between 2019 and 2020. They raised an additional $500 million from major crypto VCs in 2022, which is a rare thing for a post-launch crypto project. In 2022, they made a unique partnership with Infura, which is a leading Ethereum infrastructure provider. This makes the project accessible to over 430,000 developers, which highlights the developer-focused approach. The project managed to secure 2 additional partnerships in 2022, which added credibility to the project. The first one was Fireblocks, an institutional crypto custodian, which highlights the institutional investment in crypto. And the second one was the partnership with Google Cloud to enhance development on its platform. Another important partnership was started in 2023 with Alibaba Cloud, with the goal to accelerate Web3 growth in the Middle East and Asia. The project unveiled its blockchain operating system for Web3. BOS aims to be a one-stop shop for every crypto decentralized application or protocol. Users will be able to interact with these decentralized applications and protocol directly from near, without switching chains. The project co-founder Alexander Skidanov founded an AI company with the goal of creating artificial general intelligence, or AGI for short. He plans to leverage Near protocol in his AI venture, which connects Near protocol to his origin story as a AI project. A lot of people don't know this, but the founders of Near protocol were machine learning researchers that started Near as a AI startup. In fact, Ilya, one of the co-founders, is an experienced researcher and a co-author of the groundbreaking Transformers research paper, which is a key development in modern machine learning. Focusing on AI could help Near become a top performer in the next bull market. The only concerns that I see with Near protocol are regulation, since the SEC has raised concerns and classified it as a security. Even if the project is a layer 1 blockchain, it seems like they are moving towards a more generalized blockchain instead of a focused specialization. But this could definitely be an advantage if they can move quickly and capture trends and cater to the users' needs. And the last concern that I have is the fact that the Near Foundation holds 33% of Near's supply, which could potentially suppress the performance in the short term. I think Near protocol could perform very well in 2025, especially with the right strategic alignments and partnerships paired with a good execution or the right execution. The next project is a layer 1 blockchain that has been through a lot of ups and downs in the last 2 years, but it came back stronger and stronger each time. This project was on fire in March 2024, and the performance was linked to the launch of Pump.fun, a meme coin generator. They managed to surpass Ethereum in transaction fees due to this meme coin hype. I have a pretty strange opinion about meme coins, which is I don't think that the meme coin hype it's beneficial to crypto as a whole, but it's a pretty effective way to attract users and allow them to try the tools and platforms in Web3. The meme coin hype caused some congestion in the Solana blockchain, making the network almost unusable. The validators implemented a new software upgrade to address the congestion, improvements which will help alleviate some of the ongoing network congestions. And this upgrade will be followed by a further improvement with a new version. There are a lot of positive things to say about this project. In April, Stripe enabled USDC payments on multiple blockchains, including Solana. A month after this announcement, PayPal launched its PYUSD, a stablecoin on Solana for commerce and payments. These projects allow Solana to be at the forefront as a leading blockchain for crypto payments. In addition to these partnerships, the big money guys, aka institutional investors, have also increased their exposure in Solana. Van Eck filed for a spot Solana ETF in June 2024, though approval is kind of uncertain due to the SEC leadership. Further positive events that could have a significant price impact on Solana are, for example, Firedancer, a new third-party validator client software for Solana blockchain that aims to improve the network efficiency and transaction processing capabilities. The introduction of Firedancer could increase Solana transaction speed to 20,000 transactions per second, with plans to scale up to 1 million transactions per second. At the 2024 Breakpoint conference, one of the major announcements was the launch of Jupiter Mobile. This project aims to attract millions of users to the Solana ecosystem. Essentially, they are trying to break down the barriers to make adoption easier. I personally think that Solana remains a top crypto project, and Solana or Sol could see a significant increase or gain in the upcoming year. The third project that I'm going to talk about has similar tokenomics to Bitcoin, with a 21 million supply and a 4-year halving cycle, just like Bitcoin. They decided to opt for a fair launch with no pre-mined tokens, no pre-sales or preferential access. These tokens are community focused. The token distribution is going to be split in 2 ways. 36% of the supply will be allocated to Arweave holders, as Arweave is the base layer of the project, which is great news for Arweave holders. The remaining 64% will be for bridging staked assets. The project has retroactively minted and given to Arweave holders since the start of the project testnet, February 27th, 2024. If you held Arweave since that date, you will receive the tokens of this project. Centralized exchanges will also have to do this, so you can get in touch with them to learn how to do it. The project that I'm talking about is called AO, and it's a new protocol built on top of Arweave permanent data storage layer. AO offers a decentralized computing environment with a localized state for each application, enhancing performance and scalability. In other words, AO allows you to do many things at once, like running messages, application, game, and many more in a decentralized place. Arweave, which is the main project, is designed for permanent and immutable data storage, which is utilized by major companies such as Meta and Instagram. Arweave used to be known for data storage, but now with AO, the project is going to be known for data storage and computing, or running applications. When it comes to the community and ecosystem development, we know that AO Ventures, an incubator initiative that offers 35 million in venture capital, is funding and supporting developers building in the AO ecosystem. According to this Medium article from Arweave, if we compare AO to other blockchains such as Ethereum and Solana, we could say that Ethereum and Solana are word calculators with the goal of optimizing or break the limitation on global shared memory. ICP integrates computation with consensus, which basically means that computers work together to run application and agree on the results at the same time. In AO, which stands for application oriented, these two things, which is running application and agreeing on the results, are two separate things. It uses a process called lazy evaluation, which basically means that they're only going to put in the work when it's needed. And a special group of computers compute a unit subnet to make sure that these results are reliable. AR, which is the Arweave token, has a market cap just over 1.2 billion, with almost all the tokens in circulation, which is great news. In the short term, I believe that Arweave could reach at least a 6 billion market cap and potentially revisit its previous all-time high of $80 per coin. If we are talking about the long term, I personally think that this project is just a beast and is going to be leading this category of data storage and computation, especially with the improvements brought by AO. If you want to grab some AO token, according to this Arweave Twitter, the token will only become tradable after 50% of the supply has been minted, which is expected to happen in 6 to 7 months. So between December 2024 and January 2025. If you are a beginner crypto investor and you thought that this video was useful, I think you might want to know when is the best time to invest in crypto and differentiate yourself from 90% of the people who don't understand and lose money all the time. If you're interested, click on this video to learn the next step in growing your crypto portfolio for the long term. Thank you for watching and subscribe if this video was helpful.